Hey y'all, it's your girlie Maya and I'm back with another video. I got $20 and some old clothes and I want to redo some stuff to my room. So I literally coincidentally saw a TikTok about Buffalo Exchange. I've never been there. I've heard of it before, but I've never been there. I didn't even know we had one in Vegas. So I just got here. We got to walk around the corner. But yeah, I really want to redecorate my rooms. This is just possibly to add to that $20 when I go to Savers. I just want like some shelves or something. I have a vision and I want that vision to come to life. Let's head up in here. Y'all let me know in the comments, are y'all a rule follower when it comes to like parking and stuff? My car has gotten towed before, so I really don't play that. Oh, but I also don't know my license plate. I don't. We should probably know that, huh? What is it? Why is it? Oh, I'm like, why do it look like they sell food in here? Hello. Look at the self connector code. Okay. So, as expected, they did not want any of the clothes. I don't blame them. It's like a lot of summer stuff and we're obviously in winter, so they're just like, you know, it's out of season. There was a couple shoes, like some of the plastic on the shoes was a little yellow, not clear. They said they like chunkier heels versus thinner heels, so I probably didn't even need to pay for parking, but since I did, it's only $3, but since I did, I'm gonna just walk around a little bit. I'm gonna look at some of like the little antique shops in here. I did not walk around in there because I knew I would find something to buy, and no, I would have went crazy in there. So we're just gonna walk around and I'm going to stay on room decor. I'm not buying no clothes today. I am only buying room decor. Not much later, y'all, but it's probably like an hour later. This feels like it's still hot, so I'm gonna let that cool down. But after I went into the boutique shop that I showed y'all, I was gonna walk around, but it's not like I haven't walked around downtown Las Vegas before. I done been in all these antique shops. I stopped. I saw this place with like a happy hour menu, and I don't know, it was calling my name. So I stopped in there, got a couple bites to eat, even though I really did not need it because I have food at home that is cooked and ready for me. But it's okay. I think I have a problem with spending money sometimes. Like, I just be itching to spend money. And I mean, but I don't think it's in like a unhealthy manner. I think, you know, like, it's just, I like to have a good time. I don't think it's unhealthy or you know, like poor spending habits. I got a prime rib slider and some fried bread and some dip. Then I was walking and this lady was like, you want to come try the hot chocolate? And she just, I don't know, she just looked like she needed a sale today. And I like the way she said it. So I was just, okay, let's do it. Did I expect the hot chocolate to be $9? Absolutely the fuck not. But it's okay. I haven't tasted it yet because it feels hot as hell. But we're going to see and taste if it's worth $9. I'm about to go to the Savers by my house. This was supposed to be more of like, you know, like, let's really redo my room. It's given if I don't find nothing at the Savers, I'm going home. I might go to Walmart to get something if I don't find nothing at all at Savers. But yeah, I just want some sort of like bookshelf, some sort of shelf. I just want some sort of shelving. So cross my fingers. Let's hope we can get lucky. So I just made it to Savers, y'all. I tried the hot chocolate. It's good. I'm gonna go in here, and I know I said if I don't find nothing, I'm gonna go to Walmart. But if I don't find nothing, I'm gonna just order some shelves off of Amazon because I was waiting on my dad to return something I had ordered for him so I could get like the credit back because I reordered something else. So I have like $90 on there to spend. So if I do not find it in here, I'm gonna just order it off of Amazon, which means that I can't do it tonight, but that means I can do it at a later date. And it's kind of free. Girl math. Excuse me. $16 is not bad. I'm gonna send my brother a picture and be like, do we need this? Let's see what my brother say. That's what I like about you.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So right now, y'all, I am taking apart the shelf that I was trying to build. I finally have a screwdriver. I was trying to put it together with, I don't even have it over here no more, but this. It's a piece of a fucking screwdriver. It's not even a whole fucking screwdriver. Tried to put this together. It didn't work. I just got done crying. It was like, I feel like it's one, because I'm on my period. Two, this shit shouldn't be this fucking hard. And then I look up on Amazon, everybody in the goddamn reviews talking about how easy it is to assemble. Am I just fucking stupid? Like, no, because I'm not stupid. Like, I can't talk to y'all right now because it's going to piss me off even more. I just wanted to let y'all know. Then I ordered this mirror from Temu. Granted, it came quick as fuck. A lot quicker than I thought it would. Why did it arrive broken? So, yeah, there's that. But I'm literally, I don't know if I said it already, but I'm literally taking this apart and putting it back together. Because some people told me that some of the screws might have been, I don't know. I just want it to be put together, and my head hurt. I'm hungry. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to put this together. Definitely not, y'all aren't gonna watch me do that, but hopefully I come back and it is put together.